Meaning of hybrid.
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 Hybrid. The term hybrid refers to something that is a combination of two or more different elements. The resulting entity combines the characteristics and advantages of each element, resulting in a product that is superior to each individual component alone. Examples of hybrids include hybrid cars, which use both gasoline and electricity to power the vehicle, and hybrid plants, which are created by crossbreeding different species of plants to produce new and often more resistant varieties. In summary, hybrids are the result of combining the best features of multiple things to create a better outcome.